Welcome back to Carlton Motor Company. Today we're going to do a video walk around of the 2017 66 plate Ford Transit 350 L3H3. It's the long wheelbase high roof rear wheel drive. It's the 2.2 125 brake horsepower, and it is a mobile workshop as well. So taking a look from the side door, workshop facilities, you've got your hand wash in the side loading door here. You also have your racking and workbench internally as well. Great works vehicle, internal light, strip lights overhead, and it also has the roof beacon and Chapter 8 signage on the back door. Stunning example for a workshop, man. It is as clean as what you would hope to find. Looking from the back, Bryce door system on this one. You have your step and tow bar as well. And we'll just take a look in at the workbench and shelving. Really clean and tidy. Non-slip flooring on this one as well. It's a great example. It's come to us one owner, direct from a leasing company. It's done 117,000 miles, full service history. Just going live onto the website today. We'll have another walk around it, then I'll show you inside the cab. Lovely example, this one. Finance is available on all of our vans, so if you do need any more information, feel free to get in touch, speak to myself, Chris or Nick. I'll be more than happy to help. So just looking at it again from the front, lovely example. You've got your parking sensors all around as well, in the front bumper, front fog lights. We'll take a look at what's in the cab. So just taking a look from the passenger side, steps, floors, your seats and upholstery and all the overhead lining is as clean as what you would hope to see. So what you've got, plenty of cup holders, upgraded head unit here, parking sensor display, 6-speed. This one is the upgraded steering wheel as well. And again, just showing how clean and tidy it is. Really good example, this one. Well, that's about it for today, but as I say, it's going live onto the website. It's the full set of images available on there. But if you do need any more information, feel free to get in touch. Call us today at 01325 256060, or pop us an email, which is info@carltonmotorco.co.uk. This will be on the website shortly, but thanks very much for watching. Cheers.